Hey everyone, this is Sahil from Life of a Gamer. Today I'm doing unboxing of Huawei Mate 30 Pro. So Kirin 990, the new processor of Huawei is launched in this phone and this phone is really fabulous. So I will show you in this video the Antutu score, the camera and some basic unboxing, and I will show the Google Play Store working this phone or not. So hope you like this video. If you like, please give me a like. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe me. So here we begin our video. So here is my complete package which I got today. So first one is LED desk lamp. Second one, I got a power bank of 10,000 mAh 2.1 ampere output. So this is nice. Then one is the wireless charger. I really need a wireless charger because in the box we don't find. Then we have earphones. That's really nice, Bluetooth earphones. I really like this one and I was thinking to buy one, so I think the free one is good. And last one is they said this is a platinum ring. I'm not sure, but the ring look cool and it's free of cost, so I really like it. So you can see maybe it's not real platinum, it's just some fake thing because it's not so cheap. So last one is a Huawei Mate 30 series box. So we can see what's inside there. I am not sure, maybe some selfie stick. So let's open it and let's check. So yeah, we got one selfie stick which I said and one wireless charger. So that's one nice. They provide Huawei wireless charger also. So this one is only 10 watt. I thought maybe they provide the 27-watt charger, but it's just the normal one, but it's okay. The gift is a gift, you can say. And we have type C charging cable, as you can see, and the last one is Bluetooth selfie stick. This one is really nice. I used this one many times because with my Mate 20 Pro and my P30 Pro I got this one. So let's check our box Mate 20 30 Pro. So this one is 8GB variant with 128GB storage. The cost is $813. So I took the silver color and the color is really fabulous. So first we will check the box and then we can go on the phone. So this is my bill which I paid to them, about 5,799 yuan, $813. So here we got some instruction manual and the cover. The cover is really cool. I really like the style and the structure and it looks nice. So the charger is provided by 40 watt Huawei Supercharge 40 watt. Before also Mate 20 Pro and Huawei P30 Pro have 40 watt charger. We have earphones with type C charging port, that's nice, and type C charging cable. So let's check about the phone. This phone have 4 colors: black, silver, green and purple. I choose the silver one because this is unique and very beautiful. The glass back look really fabulous, quad camera, and the curve is really beautiful. This phone have a Corning Gorilla 6 generation protection. They have dual LED light, 4 cameras and really good. On the top we find IR blaster and noise cancellation, 2 antenna array, power on button here, and SIM tray, type C charging port, mic and speaker. Let's see the SIM tray first. So in this SIM tray you can use 2 nano SIM or 1 nano SIM with 1 nano micro SD card, which was launched by Huawei last year. So you can use that micro SD card, nano micro SD card. So let's begin our phone. So 6.53 inch OLED display, 198 gram phone, waterfall display design. It's really fabulous. Dual camera in front, there is a notch and the phone look really beautiful. You can see they have many options in languages you can choose. Mostly Huawei give a lot of languages. So that's nice thing. Many people in Europe or other places can use this easily. So let's choose English and complete the setup. So this phone have in-display fingerprint lock. So let's set up it, and we also provide face unlock. So Huawei in-display fingerprint is really nice and quick. So we can try it later, and let's set up the Face ID. So here is our setup complete. So this phone doesn't have volume button. So the volume button is in the screen. They will show you how you can use this. We have to tap either on the right side or either on the left side, and we can increase or decrease the volume according to that. Let's have a try. So I tap here twice and you can see, move the volume up and down from on the screen. It's really beautiful. So the phone look really fabulous. You can see the waterfall display is more beautiful. I think Vivo Nex and this one both have waterfall display, but I like this one more, and the screen is really good, and the processor Kirin 990 is really good. So let's see the specification about the phone, and let's see what we have provided by the Huawei this phone. So this phone comes with EMUI operating system 10 and Android version 10. So they have a latest Android version that is really fabulous. RAM 8 GB, processor Kirin 990, the latest one, and resolution 2400 by 1176. That's really nice. So let's turn on the performance mode and later we can check Antutu score. So in the battery we have to on it. Mostly in Huawei and Honor phone we have to turn on the performance mode. So it's enabled now. Let's try Antutu. So here we begin. This phone have 8 GB RAM, all storage is 8 GB, and the processor is Kirin 990. It's really good. The screen is OLED and it look really fabulous. The waterfall display, I really love it. In all angle, in all shapes, I think it's really cool and really nice. So the score is 449,818. So it's really nice score. Here the specification are Android 10, Mali G76, 4 camera, 8 GB RAM, CPU core 8, refresh rate 60 Hz, pixel density 409 ppi, front camera 32 megapixel, f2.0 aperture. This phone, the battery is 4500 mAh and the charger is 40 watt. It's really nice. And the phone support NFC. It's really nice feature according to this phone. So this phone, many people ask about the Google. So in my phone you can see it's working, easily working, so there is no issue. If you buy it, you can upload Google Play Store, Google service, everything. So let's talk about the camera. This phone have 4 camera, 40 megapixel, f1.6 aperture, wide angle, support OIS, 8 megapixel telephoto, 40 megapixel ultra wide, and 3D TOF camera. All 3 camera support OIS and PDF. Front camera has dual front camera, 32 megapixel, f2.0 wide angle, and the second one is 3D TOF camera. Huawei cameras are really very good and fantastic. If you used before, you will say this. I really love the camera of this one, and this one rear camera is double 40 megapixel. It's really good. I will give you a camera review soon, and we will do a comparison with another flagship phones, and we will see which one is better, Huawei or another one like Xiaomi or Oppo or something like that. So in the video we can use 10x zoom. Wow. And we can also record in ultra wide 0.6 also. So in the front camera we can record full HD 1080p 30 fps, and in the rear we can also record 4K video easily and 30 fps or 60 fps. So really fabulous. So we have pro mode, and in more we can find slow motion 120 fps, 240 fps and 960 fps, plus we have 10x zoom. That's really very good. So we can record in 720p or 1080p slow motion video. So we have portrait mode, night mode and aperture. So in the camera review I will give you detailed camera review in this phone. So now let's check the, they have a reverse charging, wireless reverse charging feature. Let's have a try. So I will try on my Mi 9. So the cover is really good. You can see it look really fabulous, very beautiful. So we turn on wireless reverse charging and have a try. And it's working. Yeah, you can see it's working. So I really like this phone. What do you think about this phone? Please give me a comment. And if you want some comparison or some test about this phone, please Write in the comment section. If you like this video, give me a like. If you're new to my channel, give me a subscribe. See you next time.